This is how you clean an old, burnt pot. It works better than store-bought cleaners. It's a simple homemade method that's surprisingly effective, and you probably have all the ingredients at home. Start by grabbing a small bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of salt. Salt has abrasive properties that help break down stubborn burnt-on residue, making it easier to remove. Next, add 2 tablespoons of ground coffee. The fine coffee particles do a great job scrubbing away grime and gently scouring burnt spots. Pour in 2 tablespoons of any dish soap. This helps dissolve grease and stubborn stains. Mix everything well until you get a smooth, consistent paste. Now apply the prepared paste to the burnt area of the pot. Let it sit for a few minutes so the ingredients can work and loosen the burnt residue. During this time, the mixture seeps into the grime and softens it, making cleaning much easier. Then grab a sponge and scrub the pot thoroughly. The result? A shiny, clean surface almost immediately. Your pots will regain their former shine and look like new. Try this easy trick and enjoy perfectly clean cookware.